should quickly realise that this is a sine function, right? Looks like the midline is y equals 0. It looks like the amplitude is 1. The only thing that's changed, I think, is the period, right? So from the first max to the second max, I think that's 4 pi over 4. That's just pi. 2 pi divided by pi is 2. This is y equals sine 2x. Let's have a look. Yeah, of course. Look, y equals sine 2x. Now just take a little look at that first maximum. It's here. It's at pi over 4, 1, and that's fine. Pi over 4 is 0.785, so the x coordinate here is 0.785. Now let's have a look at this, sine 2x minus 1. Now you probably expect a translation, right? Minus 1, but it'll be going to the right. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Let's see the coordinate. Now how far has it moved? The x coordinate on the original function, the x coordinate is pi over 4, which is 0.785. And now that becomes 1.285. Can you see? It's gone exactly 0.5 along. So this little minus 1 here, definitely a horizontal translation, but the horizontal translation is actually 0.5 positive. Now let's have a look at this guy here. Same but different. Let's now have a little look at this maximum. Can you see what's happened now? The x coordinate is 1.7854 and the old was 0.7854. So this has actually translated exactly 1, and that's the big clue. If we have this form within the bracket, then we know exactly that this number is the size of the horizontal translation. So now let's have a look at the original one is here, and the new one is here. And you see from 0.785 to 3.285 is exactly 2.5. So this minus 2.5 here is a horizontal shift, horizontal translation of positive 2.5. Yeah. So you could actually click this one, and you could see actually from 0.785 back to here is a shift in the other direction. So you could also do a subtraction and change this minus 2.5 into a positive number. I'll let you think about what that positive number might be. But if we have our inside of the sign factored out with the 2 and then a factor, then the number inside here represents the horizontal translation. If we have it in an expanded form, we really need to put this in a factored form to help us understand exactly how much the horizontal translation is. Okay, so over to you. What about this one? What's the horizontal translation for this one, do you think? If you said 1.5, you would be correct, because you would factor this out to x minus 1.5. So it's all about factorising the inside rather than expanded. If you have it in factorised form, this little guy here will always represent the horizontal translation.